This may have flown under the radar for many parents, but Apple's iOS 17.2 update automatically installed an app called Journal on iPhones all around the world, including on children's phones without parental permission. This is no harmless diary app. It enables children to lock photos, videos, and content behind Face ID, essentially creating a vault app to hide all sorts of things. What can you do? Delete the app from your child's device by holding down on the app icon. But keep in mind your child can just re-download. Use Apple Screen Time to put a 1-minute time limit on it, or include it in downtime, which unfortunately is known to be buggy. You can also just not get your child an iPhone and avoid all of this mess in the first place. Another way is to give your child our app, which is thoughtfully designed to facilitate communication, emotional expression, and regulation for children. Through our user-friendly interface, children can engage in interactive activities, games, and ebooks that not only help them communicate effectively, but also promote emotional well-being. We believe that emotional well-being is crucial, and our app includes features that help children recognize and manage their emotions. Kids express their emotions each time they use the app and discover a life skill to review before exploring the app. Parents can set timeouts and receive a daily summary of their kids' activities. Furthermore, we understand the importance of family involvement in supporting children's mental health. Our app encourages parents and siblings to actively participate in these activities, fostering a sense of togetherness and support within the family unit. So we provide resources and support networks within the app to assist parents and caregivers in navigating the unique challenges they may face. Privacy and security are of utmost importance to us. Skills Tutelage is proud to be a member of the KidSafe Seal program. Our website store and mobile app have been independently reviewed, certified, and core listed by KidSafe to meet rigorous standards of online safety and privacy. We are authorized to display the KidSafe seal, providing reassurance to parents. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for being part of our community, and I'll see you in the next video.